Are you looking for a .22 LR rifle that's accurate, reliable, and budget-friendly? Whether you're into small game hunting, target shooting, or just want something fun for the range, today's list will walk you through the top 5.22 LR rifles that stand out in 2025. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Your support keeps this channel going strong and helps bring more content like this to you. 1. Ruger 10/22. The People's Rifle. The Ruger 10/22 has been America's favorite .22 LR semi-automatic rifle since 1964. It features a reliable blowback action and the iconic 10-round rotary BX-1 magazine that feeds smoothly with minimal jamming. It's known for its exceptional reliability, simplicity, and customizability. The takedown variant makes transport and storage incredibly convenient, breaking down into 2 pieces in seconds. What truly sets it apart is the massive aftermarket, stocks, barrels, triggers, optics, you name it. The 10/22 is a platform, not just a rifle. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, this rifle is accurate out to 100 yards and cycles almost any kind of .22 ammo. With a price range of $250 to $400, it's the ideal mix of performance, durability, and affordability. 2. CZ457 Varmint. Precision meets craftsmanship. Crafted in the Czech Republic, the CZ457 Varmint is a bolt-action rifle built for accuracy and elegance. The heavy barrel enhances stability and reduces vibrations, which translates into tighter groupings at long range. Its short bolt throw, adjustable trigger, and smooth cycling make each shot feel refined. Safety is top-notch with a 2-position manual safety and a bolt release system that's intuitive. The fit and finish are exceptional, with fine walnut wood and precision machined steel. This is a rifle made for serious shooters who demand sub-MOA precision and aesthetic beauty in one package. Whether you're punching paper or targeting varmints, the CZ457 delivers. Expect a price of around $550 to $750, depending on the configuration. 3. Savage Mark II FV-SR. Tactical bolt action on a budget. The Savage Mark II FV-SR is a compact bolt-action rifle tailored for suppressor use and tactical shooting. Its 16.5 heavy barrel comes threaded from the factory, ready for your favorite suppressor or muzzle device. Savage's AccuTrigger system stands out here, letting shooters adjust pull weight without compromising safety. It's crisp, light, and helps tighten up those long-range groups. The synthetic stock is lightweight and durable, making it great for field use or harsh conditions. It may not be flashy, but the FV-SR delivers quiet precision at an affordable price. Ideal for those who want to shoot suppressed, hunt discreetly, or train without waking the neighbors. Price point: $300 to $350. 4. Smith & Wesson M&P 15/22 Sport AR Training Made Easy. This .22 LR rifle replicates the AR-15 experience almost perfectly. The M&P 15/22 Sport features identical controls, adjustable stock, full-length Picatinny rail, and familiar ergonomics, making it a superb training tool for those who also shoot 5.56 platforms. Its polymer frame keeps it lightweight and manageable, even for younger shooters. It's reliable, easy to clean, and tons of fun. Red dots, scopes, grips, everything you'd mount on an AR fits here too. For tactical practice, steel challenge competitions, or just fun plinking, it's hard to beat. All that realism without the high cost of centerfire ammo. Retail price: $450 to $550. 5. Henry lever action. 22. Classic Americana. Nothing feels quite like cycling a lever-action rifle, and Henry's .22 version captures that old-school charm while delivering modern reliability. Made in the USA, the Henry lever action. 22 uses a smooth tube-fed design that can hold up to 15 rounds of .22 LR. Its walnut stock, polished blued barrel, and slick lever action offer both beauty and functionality. This rifle is easy to operate, making it a great choice for beginners, youth shooters, or collectors. No magazines to lose, just pure lever action, fun, and simplicity. If you're after nostalgia, craftsmanship, and a smooth shooting experience, the Henry delivers. Prices generally range between $400 and $550. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this list helped you find the perfect .22 LR rifle, whether it's for training, hunting, or weekend plinking. Let us know in the comments which rifle on this list is your favorite, or which one you already own. And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help the channel grow. We'll see you in the next review. Stay sharp and shoot safe.